This is a 2011 Nissan Armada. It has a 5.6-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, power-adjustable driver pedals, a DVD player, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, an air suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, dual power seats, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 67,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.